Hi lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Ivonne. So let's jump right into it. Today's video, I'm gonna do a quick little haul of what I bought at Target. I went to Target. Also, one little thing I bought at Costco, and I started decorating for Christmas. Yay! I tried to do it way early in November, but I just couldn't do it, you guys. I need time to think, and usually what I do is I go out and I buy a whole bunch of new things, or a haul video, and then I do decorate with me video, like it goes in that order. But this year, I had already bought lots of stuff last year, so I didn't want to go crazy. So what I did this time is I decorated first, and then I assessed the situation, and I'm like, okay, what little things do I want to get rid of, or what little things do I want to add? So that's what I did this year. Let's jump right into me decorating for Christmas. Enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is, what's today? Today is Thursday. The week before Thanksgiving. I don't know exactly what the date is, but anyway, I just wanted to show you guys I'm starting the Christmas decorations, and I removed all of the decorations for fall, so everything is back to normal, and preparing and cleaning just so everything's nice and clean for our Christmas decor. I love Christmas. It's my favorite home decor, so I want to show you guys what I'm doing. Last year, I put the tree right in this corner, and to be quite honest with you, I didn't love it. I want to see it. When I'm watching TV, I want to be able to see my tree. So let me show you what I've done so far. Okay, so this is our egg chair that I have in the living room, and I'm going to go ahead and move that into the office. Here's all the cushions, and I'm going to get this spot ready to put the Christmas tree right here. That table I'll probably also put in the office in the meantime. And yeah, so all the decorations are gone. This wall I bought new frames for, and so I need to ask my dad to come over and help me. But this I'm gonna move to the dining room, our wedding pictures. It's time for a change. Since we've moved here, those have been there. We're gonna put those in the dining room. In the dining room, what I have right now is the cliche spoon, fork, and knife. This will go away. I'm gonna remove that and put those frames there. And what else? Yeah.
too bright, bright, bright.
Be careful.
I'm a snowman who melts in the sun. Melt, melt, melt.
That's all I have done for now. I'm going to obviously finish this coming week. This coming week is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving, you guys. I hope you have a beautiful and blessed Thanksgiving. So this week, I'm going to finish decorating, putting the ornaments on the Christmas tree. I'm gonna do gold and turquoise, the teal color vibe. And then I did go ahead and I moved Julian's seat that he had in his room into the living room, and I want a cute little Christmassy pillow. So let's jump right into the haul. Let me show you. I bought this beautiful little pillow at Target, and if you're interested, this pillow is actually not with the other pillows. I found it in the bedding section. I know, it's with the bedding stuff. In the middle of all the covers and sheets for your bed, they have this cute little pillow, and I love the neutral colors. It has little woven Christmas trees on it and little pom-poms on the corners. I absolutely love, and it was $20, I believe, $20 at Target. So if I find it online, I will link it down below for you guys. I also bought more, looking at the tree, I bought this tree last year at Walmart, and it has LED lights in it, and which is fine. It looks beautiful, it's great. However, for my personal taste, I want it to be brighter in that corner. Like even last year, it bothered me a little bit. So I'm like, let me fix that. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna add more lights to the tree. And I bought these lights at Target, and it's 100 mini lights. They're clear. You can use these outdoor as well. They're indoor outdoor, and it's about 24 feet. So ooh, I'm about to drop them, but these were inexpensive. I think they were $9.99, and I bought 2 boxes just to wrap around the tree, just so that it has a little bit more sparkle. You know, those lights at night are the best thing ever. It's like, it makes your home so cozy. I love Christmas decor for that reason. So here's the other box, and they're the Philips brand, so love those. Then, how cute, I bought this little gnome. Let me show you the right way. This cute little gnome. See if it focuses. But isn't he adorable? He has a little pom-pom, and he's heavy at the bottom, so he'll stand right up. He's not gonna fall over. And I'm gonna put this in the restroom just to add a little bit of Christmas vibes. And I have 2 little gnomes that Julian fell in love with last year at Home Goods, and I bought 2 of them, and they're chilling in our little bar area. So I'm like, you know what, we'll stick with the theme of our cute little gnomes, and I'll add this one to the restroom, so to our guest bathroom. So he was only $5, so cute, from Target. Moving on, I also bought this little tree. Isn't it adorable, you guys? And the price is great. It's from Hearth and Hand with Magnolia collection, and it was only $4.99. And this one is gonna go in the kitchen. If you've been watching my videos, I made a little tea station in the kitchen because I love drinking tea. And I had this perfect little piece that I also bought at Target for my fall decor, so I'm gonna trade that out and put my little new Christmas tree there. So isn't he adorable? Again, only $5, so at Target. I also bought command hooks. These are absolutely necessary for Christmas decor. These I'm going to hang at the back. I don't know, I'm gonna figure it out. Obviously next video you guys will see me put this stuff up, but I want to hang my stockings with these on the fireplace, so we'll see how that goes. So these were, I think, $5, $6 or something like that. And command hooks are really good. Really recommend if you want to hang anything around your house and you don't want to make holes on the wall. I recommend command hooks. So then I bought a Wonder Shop collection. I think that's what it's called. It's an unlit tree chopper, and it was only $5. You guys, you ready for the cuteness? How adorable is that? I'm obsessed. And I originally bought this to put on Julian's tree in his room, and I am obsessed with it. Like, it's so cute. $5, only $5. I'm like, heck yeah, I'm gonna take it. But Julian was messing with it, and he was putting it next to our tree, so it's kind of small, but if it looks cute on our tree, I'm gonna put it on our tree, and I'll just buy another one for his. But I thought it was so adorable, and yeah. Moving on, let me see what else. Almost done. I told you it's just a quick little haul. I bought a new glass cup. I use these kind of cups, the thermo flask, and I bought this at Costco. I brought like 2 in a pack of 2 for really cheap, and it keeps the water chilly, which I don't even drink cold water. I just drink room temperature water, but it does keep it a little bit cool, and I love it. However, I don't know how I feel about it being in drinking my water all the time from something that has metal. Like, it's totally fine to take out to travel with. It's great. I put it in the car and the water stays cool, so I do love it. However, I bought so much explanation for one little thing, right? So this cup is glass, and I bought it at Target, and it's smoothie approved glass. It's 20 ounces, it's BPA free, obviously it's glass, so it's the super oh no, my battery's dying. Why does this always happen to me? Dang it. Okay, round 2, new battery and the camera. Like I was saying, huge rant just to tell you about a new glass cup for my water. And it's turquoise, obviously. It's really, really cute, and it comes with a little straw. And yeah, so this is my new cup to have around the house to drink water. Last item that I bought at, please focus on me, camera. Come on, get it together, girlfriend. Get it together. So the last item that I bought at Costco, and they're super cheesy, but I love them, is these. Ugh, it's heavy. But aren't they adorable, you guys? They're little soaps. They're not little soaps. They're hand soaps to put around the house, and there's 4 of them, and they're really, really large. Let me tell you the smells. It's holly berry, pine forest, candy cane, and winterberry. Holiday greetings collection. And for all these soaps, it's only $9.99. So I'm like, hey, they're like $5 for one hand soap, and I'm like, I can get 4, and they're Christmas themed, and they're cute. I love them. So gonna put those around the house as well, and they're perfect for our Christmas time. So yeah, I am going to start putting all this stuff away. And let me see, what else was I gonna tell you? Oh, one more thing that I ordered, and I want to share with you now because it's early, and if you're interested, you can go ahead and get it. I purchased the most adorable little Christmas trees from JCPenney. Yes, I was gonna say Macy's, but it's JCPenney. I know, random, right? I was watching another haul, someone else's YouTube video, and they showed the most adorable little trees, and I was like, ding, ding, ding. I fell in love, heart eyes, and I ordered them. So I have to go pick those up as well. It's on the other side of town, so I'm like, I have all these order pickups I have to do. So yeah, that'll be part of the next video. Oh, well, let me include them right here for you guys so you guys can see them because they're so adorable. They're so freaking cute, and I think they're on sale right now. So I will link whatever I can and these beautiful little trees down below for you guys in case you're interested. And yeah, I think that's all. I was a little bit distracted decorating because I like to clean and then decorate, and then I'm in the middle of decorating and clean, and I just get so distracted. So yeah, I'm hoping to finish decorating very, very soon and show you guys the final product of our Christmas home decor this year. So make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss the next video. And what else did I want to tell you? If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. Have you guys decorated for Christmas yet? Are you guys excited? Have you bought anything? Let me know. I love to talk to you guys down in the comment section. So yeah, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Bye, guys.